In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a GeForce NOW account. If you've decided you no longer want to keep your GeForce NOW account, the process is fairly straightforward, but it's important to go carefully because account deletion is typically permanent. That means you may lose access to your account data, settings, and any related NVIDIA services connected to that account. So before you continue, make sure you're absolutely certain that deleting the account is the right choice for you. To get started, open your NVIDIA account and sign in. Make sure you're logging into the correct account, since the deletion request will apply to the account that is currently active. Once you're signed in, head to the Privacy Settings section. This is where NVIDIA places controls related to personal data and account management. After you arrive on the Privacy Settings page, scroll all the way down to the bottom. Don't stop halfway, because the option you need may be placed near the end of the page and can be easy to miss. NVIDIA indicates that the deletion option appears after you log in and scroll down. So take your time and look carefully. Near the bottom, look for an option labeled Delete My Data or Delete Account. The wording may vary slightly depending on the region, account type, or any updates to NVIDIA's website, but it should clearly refer to account deletion or data removal. Once you find it, select that option to move forward. At this stage, NVIDIA will usually show you an account deletion warning. Read this message carefully before continuing. This warning is there to explain what will happen after the account is deleted, including what data may be removed and whether access to associated services will end. It's a good idea to pause here and review everything so there are no surprises later. If you still want to proceed, confirm that you want to delete your account. After that, follow any verification steps that appear. These may include confirming your identity or approving the request through an additional prompt. Just complete each screen as instructed. Once verification is finished, submit the deletion request. After that, the final step is simply to wait for NVIDIA to process it. In some cases, account deletion may not happen instantly, so give it some time and watch for any confirmation message or follow-up notice related to the request. And that's it. That's how to delete a GeForce NOW account.